I perfrost. A vast library, glowing books, fluttering pages, magic in the air. Oliver whispered, "Amazing." Whiskers purred, "Welcome."
What if I told you I generated this video completely using an AI tool and it took me less than 10 minutes to do that, and this video is around 4 minutes long? So this is one of the longest video that I've generated using any AI, and the tool I use to generate this video is MagicLight. Now MagicLight is offering you longer videos with endless possibilities. That's why this is unique, and they give you a character feature where you can build your own character or generate your own characters, and they give you 10 plus styles to choose from. And the best part here is the voiceovers in different multiple languages. You don't need to worry about having diverse audience, and I'm really excited to test this tool out and see whether it's actually worth subscribing to and using or not. So let's dive right in and explore this tool. Hi, and welcome back to SkillCurb. And we're finally at the MagicLight's dashboard. So once you log in or sign up with them, you will see something like this, a screen where you have all the generations by the community and an option to create a video or any avatar. But before diving into creating the video, I want to talk about the pricing here. So if you click on this plan here, you will see something like this. So we're using the standard plan, which is $10 per month, and you get 5,000 credits per month and 1,000 fast generation image a day. And the best part about this is you get an exclusive Anime Pro, Runway and Halo AI to actually make your images dynamic, and you can go with the Plus plan or the Pro plan if you want to. It's really up to you, so we're gonna just test it out and let you know if it's actually worth it. Let's get started with creating our AI videos. So if you click here, you will see a screen like this one where you can paste in a prompt, and this will generate your whole script for you. And MagicLight is using a DeepSeek R1 model at the back. So the AI is quite powerful, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use my own content, my own script. And for that, I went on to DeepSeek chat and asked it to give me 3 ideas for short kid stories, and it gave me 3, from which I chose the second one, The Secret Library of Mr. Whiskers, and it gave me the complete scenes, the whole script, and I even asked it to generate the prompts for each character because we need to build these characters later on. So we have the prompts, and using these prompts, I created all the characters which I'm going to show you in a while. Now, once you have finalized your story and the script, you can just copy this all, and back here in MagicLive, you just have to paste in your whole script just like this one. And notice that on the standard plan, we have a 12,000 words cap, but mine is around 5,300. So I think this is a decent length for the story, and then you will have to choose the aspect ratio, and I'm just gonna go with landscape. For the video language, it's gonna be English, and for the style, I'm just gonna go with 3D cartoon, and let's just hit next. So I'm just gonna go and say next here. Now this is actually going to break down the whole script into different shots or scenes. So there you go. We have 44 shots in total, and each shot will have 1 image generated for it. So you can see we have all the shots here, and we can merge 2 different shots by clicking here, and we can delete some shots or add them. It's really up to you. So that's that. Now if you have finalized your shots, go ahead and click on next, and it's taking 220 credits to generate this 44 shots. So I'm just gonna go and click next. Now the next step is to assign the cost. Now this step is really crucial because here it will decide which practice to keep consistent throughout the process. So I'm just going to delete the old ready detected characters because I have created all of mine. Add character, and I have my characters here from where I can choose different characters. So I have Oliver, the hero in this story. So it's gonna be Oliver Boomer. Then the next one, I have a dragon. So it's gonna be the dragon. So I went ahead and added all of the characters that I need in this story. So we have a total of 6 characters, and I created these characters by clicking here. And you can just go ahead and create your own character, and the prompts that I use for creating these characters, I generated them using DeepSeek. So you can pretty much do the same and just copy and paste these. So now that our cast is done, we can just hit next, and this will start the storyboarding. Now it's actually going to go on and map those characters and their images over the stories or the storyline that we have. So we're gonna start generating images for each frame. So there you go. We have all our scenes ready. This is the second scene, the third one, the 5th one, and it goes on and on. So we have around 44 scenes here. all of them are generated. Now, the next step is to actually make these scenes dynamic, and to do that, we have to actually animate these scenes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to animate here, and we're going to use the Animate Pro feature, which is one of the best features this tool has, and hit OK. Now, this will ask us to enhance the prompt that we have for this animation. So I'm going to AI Enhance, and this will start making this image dynamic, which means it will start adding motion and moments to the image. Now we have to do that for each frame, and one frame costs around 100 credits, and this is a total of 4400 credits for just this video. So yeah, that is quite expensive, I would say, but let's just go ahead with this, and I will be right back after animating all of these frames. So there you go. I have animated all the frames like this one here, right? So some frames are really good quality and some frames are really not that great. Sometimes there is character deformation or even a whole character change. Like you can see here is Oliver, but then again, all of it changes to a whole different person here. So this is an issue with all the AI image to video or AI video generators. So I think this will resolve with the passage of time. But as you can see, this is the new version of Magic. It needs lots of improvements, but let's just go ahead and generate the video and check out the final output. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on generate video here, and I need to have the subtitles. Yes. And one more thing that I've noticed is before animating these images, the subtitles were really long, a full sentence, but now the subtitles are either of 4 to 5 words or at max 6-7 words, not more than that. So this is, personally speaking, is not a good thing, but let's just go ahead with the video and check out the results, because I've heard a lot about MagicLight, so I really want to test it out. And for the cover, I just want to go with this image here. So there you go. We have the final result out. So I'm just gonna go and click here and preview
Oliver's
this.
room. A book. Filled nest. Oliver adored books above all. Pirate tales filled his room. A soft purr came from the windowsill. Whiskers. Adventures aren't just in books. Talking cat. Oliver gasped. Tonight, something extraordinary.
Whiskers, seek.
Secret library. Promise. Oliver, heart pounding, followed Whiskers. Fireflies lit their path. Believe, Oliver, the library awaits. Ancient trees stood tall. Oliver gasped at the glowing book-like door. Secret library revealed. Awestruck, Oliver froze. A vast library, glowing books, fluttering pages, magic in the air. Oliver whispered, "Amazing." Whiskers purred, "Welcome." Pirate book flew to Oliver. Tiny pirate. Voice. Bitch, Oliver's on a pirate ship. Waves crashed. Cat watched. Pirates cried. Steady, lad. Oliver gripped. Heart racing. Got it. With Oliver's help, the crew navigated through the storm and reached a deserted island.
So there you go. As you can see, this was a really great result. There was some inconsistencies with the characters, but overall it is a great video with the background music, the narration, and with the frame switch and animation. But it is around 4 minutes long with the 44 scenes that we have. You can add more scenes to it, but again, animating each scene is going to cost you 100 credits. So it's really up to you. But I'm just gonna go ahead and publish this for people to view in the community. So there you go. I'm just gonna go and add comment here. So a secret library, and I as well. Now, for those of you who don't know how to create a character, you just have to click here. You choose the name, the gender, the category if they are human, and their age. And you can paste in the prompt here that we generated using DeepSeek. So this is how I created all my 6 characters, and you can choose 3D cartoon here. So pretty much if I start generating the images and this does not cost you credits, so that's that.
With
I want
this
to wrap.
video
But
up,
my final thoughts, all in all, MagicLight is actually worth testing, but the final decision whether to buy the subscription or not is really up to you. The tool is not that perfect, but it is quite there with their beta version. I think once they release their finalized stable version, this will be much better. So with that said, If you found this video insightful, hit the like button, share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Ring the notification bell to never miss out on our daily updates. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in our next video. Till then, stay curious and keep exploring.